tonight.
Good morning. So today I have practicals in my local church. Today I'll be taking them on how to make homemade bread, and I'm carrying guys along with me. Ooh. I was leaving already, but I have to eat. I have to have something into my stomach before going because it's gonna be a long day. So I made rice and stew and some eggs and cucumber. Guys, I'm not really a fan of cucumber, but I promised myself to introduce fruit into my meals. Let's go.
That we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go? Remember the days we were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more.
So guys, see what I found on the tree today. Oh god, this soursop is so fresh. Look at the tree. Guys, welcome back. I started this vlog on Saturday when I was telling you guys that I'm going to my local church to take tutorial on how to make homemade bread. I was so pained. I was not able to capture the batter. I was not able to capture the bread when I was done. Guys, this bread was so nice. When I'm doing this bread by myself, all by myself at home, I used to use this cake pan because I don't have this can. You know this can they use in bakery, that is this square or rectangle. So I had to make do with my cake can, which is the round shape. That is what I use at home. So when I went to church, so apparently they made provision for this pan, the one they used at the bakery. The bread turns out so nice that even me, I was so amazed. I was like, God, so this is how this bread will look like in a bakery pan, like this bakery standard pan. And I was so amazed. I was saying, I advise you guys to start, like, it's high time you started knowing how to make homemade bread by yourself. Like, you are making this by yourself, so you know what you put into it. You know the ingredients that are there. There's no preservative, there's no saccharin, there's no bromate. You know what you are putting in the bread, basically. So it's good to make your bread yourself. I know you can't do it all the time because of the stress, because guess what? It's so stressful, especially when you don't have your mixer and every other thing. It can be so stressful, I understand. But please, once in a while, make sure you make your bread yourself, guys. So fulfilling and so delicious. A lot of people that have been asking me this question offline, especially, and I'm going to address it on here, okay? So a lot of people have been asking why it's been long I post recipe on this channel. I know. Posting recipes now to get ingredients and every other thing, the economy is not smiling, guys, and I have to work double. At times, there's no font. There's some beautiful, delicious, nose twisting recipes I would love to show you guys how to make them, but money, the money for production, post-production. My battery is low, guys, and then before the video gets to you guys, like, there was this food vlogger that she was talking, I think it was last week, I was scrolling on Instagram. She was talking about the fact that she was not going to be posting recipes, like she's not going to be posting recipes and showing you guys how she's making the food, that she's just going to sit down and tell you guys how it is made, just give you guys a process of how it is made. It's as bad as that. I was like, gosh, like, if this vlogger can say this, then what am I saying? So it is so real. The struggle is real. Like, the work behind the scene is so real, guys. So real. We're just trying our best to put out content, and we now put out content, and so people are not watching the content again. That's not nice. So, guys, to my OG subscribers, you guys, thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you guys for sticking with me, even when I'm not consistent, when I've not been posting for a while. Thank you very much for sticking with me. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. Please subscribe to this channel. You guys are going to enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it. So hit that subscribe button, because I'm really yearning to show you guys my new recipe. So I have a new recipe that I can't wait to show you guys. If you're not subscribed, you don't want to miss out of this recipe, okay? So subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss it. Love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I know I already said bye for this vlog, but I just remember that I didn't tell you guys that I actually made bread. The homemade bread that I made for practicals. I came back home and I was craving bread. Trust me, the following day, I actually went ahead to make the bread. Even though I don't have that rectangular or square shape can, I still had to make do with what I had.